Hey everybody, thanks for joining me for another video. And if you've seen my videos before, you know that I start almost every single one with a phrase that sounds something like, hey, my name's Patrick, I'm a husband, I'm a dad, and along with being a worship pastor at a church, I own my own tech company. Now today, and I've done this before, I want to zero in on that worship pastor part. And you might hear church or worship or pastor and go, this video isn't for me. I'm going to ask that you stay with me because what I want to talk about is the fact that as a worship pastor, I get to create really fun projects with super creative professionals, videographers, photographers, graphic designers, and all sorts of people that make these projects fun. So what I want to show you is a song that a few friends of mine got together and recorded with me this past year. It was super, super fun. And in the future, I might do a little bit of like a behind the scenes video about how we put this project together. But for now, I just want to say, enjoy.
Saturday was silent, surely it was through. But since when has impossible ever stopped you?
Friday's disappointment, your Sunday's empty too. Since when has impossible ever stopped you?
This is the sound of dry bones rattling. This is the praise, make a dead man walk again. Open the grave, I'm coming out. I'm gonna live again. This is the sound of dry bones rattling. This is the praise, make a dead man walk again. Open the grave, I'm coming out. I'm gonna live again. This is the sound of dry bones rattling. Is able to save and deliver and heal and restore anything that he wants to. Just ask the man that was thrown on the bones of Elisha if there's anything that he can't do. Just ask the stone that was rolled off the tomb in the garden what happens when God says to move. I feel him doing it now. I feel him doing it now. I feel him doing it now. Do it now, do it now. Oh, this is the sound of dry bones rattling. This is the praise, make a dead man walk again. Open the grave, I'm coming out. I'm gonna live again. Open the grave, I'm coming live, live. Dry bones hear the word of the Lord. Live, live. Dry bones hear the word of the Lord. Live, live. Dry bones hear the word of the Lord. Live, live. Dry bones hear the word of the Lord. Live, live. Dry bones hear the word of the Lord. Live, live. Oh, dry bones hear the word of the Lord. Live, live. Dry bones hear the word of the Lord. Live, live. Dry bones hear the word of the Lord. Live, live. Dry bones hear the word of the Lord. Live, live. Dry bones hear the word of the Lord. Live, live. Dry bones hear the word of the Lord. Live, live. Dry bones hear the word of the Lord. This is the sound of dry bones rattling. This is the praise, make a dead man walk again. Open the grave, I'm coming out. I'm gonna live again. Open the grave, I'm coming out. I'm gonna live again. Open the grave, I'm coming out. I'm gonna live again. This is the sound of dry bones rattling.
I really hope you enjoyed the song. I really hope you enjoyed the video. And if you have any questions about how we produce this, or if you have comments, or if you want to share with me the link to a song you've recorded, leave it down in the comments below. I'd love to see it. And then do all the other YouTube things. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, or maybe share this with someone who would be interested in seeing it. I'll see you in the next one.